In this video, we're going to learn how to make a knot at the end of the tails of our thread. So you're going to thread your needle through the eye of your needle. You're going to have a shorter tail and then a longer tail. Sometimes when we're sewing, we want to use a double thread. So we're going to pull both tails together, and we can make a knot with both tails together. And then sometimes we want one tail to be shorter and one tail to be longer. You do the same process with either both threads for making the knot, and you wrap it at the bottom of your finger here, or you use it with one tail at the end of the longer one of the two tails. So the process for making a lasso knot. You're going to start off with your pointer finger. Hi, pointer finger. You're going to wrap the end of the tail around your pointer finger and make an X. You're then going to take your thumb, put your thumb right where that X meets. And this is the key part. See how I'm going to rub my finger and my thumb back and forth. And each time I do that, I'm tangling the threads and tangling the threads. And then I'm going to do that so much that I'm going to push it off my finger and let it fall to the tabletop. Now for the next step, you can either push your finger on the tabletop and then pull, or you can take your two fingers and you're going to pinch that tail and pinch and just pull until you get right to the bottom where that big chunky knot is. And that is how we make a lasso knot